In our quest to unravel the intricate dynamics of media's influence, we embark today on a journey through the captivating landscape of the agenda setting theory. This theory isn't about dictating our thoughts, it's about sculpting what we think about. Join me as we delve deeper into how the media agenda intertwines with the public perception. Imagine this: the media doesn't craft our thoughts, but skillfully directs our attention. This is the essence of the agenda setting theory. It's all about the art of influence, where the media crafts a spotlight that illuminates certain topics, elevating their importance in the public's consciousness. The celebrity relationships that garner headlines. It will likely have a VIP spot in your thoughts too. This interconnectedness between the media agenda and the public agenda forms the crux of the theory. Let's explore further with a real world example. Consider a presidential election. The media plays a pivotal role in selecting which issues dominate the discourse. They highlight key policy areas, campaign strategies, and candidate personalities. As the media magnifies these aspects, they also steer public conversations and debates. The topics that once stood at the periphery are now thrust into the limelight. This is the magic of the agenda setting theory at work, shaping the very fabric of our discussions. As the media amplifies certain issues, they become the mainstays in our collective discussions. Take environmental pollution, for example. When media dedicates significant coverage to this topic, it leads to a higher percentage of individuals contemplating this issue, and it elevates the seriousness of environmental pollution on our mental radar. Enter frames, powerful construct that shape how we perceive and analyze messages. Think of frames as the lens through which we view a topic. When the media frames a problem, it's not just shedding light on it, it's influencing how we approach it. Let's take the example of environmental pollution again. Different frames focusing on big polluters, individual consumer actions, or global warming statistics. They all offer varied angles of analysis. These frames guide our understanding and interaction with the message. Let's dive into another real world scenario to illustrate frames. Imagine a news story about technological advancements. Depending on the frame chosen, highlighting the potential benefits of innovation or discussing concerns about privacy and ethics, the audience's perception will diverge. It's like viewing a masterpiece of art from different angles, each revealing a unique facet of the truth. A fascinating illustration of the power of frames can be found in news photos. Consider the iconic image of the tearing down of Saddam Hussein's statue. Depending on how it's framed, whether focusing on jubilant celebrations or questioning the aftermath, the entire message perception changes. Frames, my friend, are the architects of meaning. Now here's the twist. Agenda setting theory isn't fixated on the sender's intention, but rather on the delicate art of message construction and deconstruction. It's a departure from the traditional linear effect oriented approach, shifting its focus to the interplay between crafting and receiving messages. This, my fellow explorers, is the crux of processing and signification, the dynamic realm where the message journeys from inception to comprehension. And this is where we pause our expedition for now. But fret not, the journey continues as we delve deeper into processing and signification. So keep those curious minds ignited and join me for another captivating exploration